So I got sent a charging case for the Rode Wireless Go right here by ZGCINE. And today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing it, see how it is. This was sent to me for review, so I'm just disclosing that, but all my opinions are going to be my own. So let's get into it. Let's unbox it first, see what it comes with, and see if it will replace my case that I use. You know, I usually use this, I don't even know what material this is. Is this foam? I don't know what material this is, but this is what it came with, and this is what I've been using it this entire time. But the charging case sounds genius. Like, you know, you use your charging case for your earbuds and everything. It keeps everything nicely charged, and it keeps it organized. I kind of just have everything just like mushed in here. I don't know if you guys can see it right here, but I just have like everything in here. You know, if I just take all of this out, there's a bunch of crap in here. And I'm actually curious to see, is this only gonna take in the wireless charger, or can I also add my accessories in there also, like my cables and my, you know, the wind muffs and everything. Let's see if we can also put these in the charging case also. Alright, now let's unbox this thing right here. So let's open this thing up, take this baby out right here, and then it comes in this like kind of fake leather type of plastic bag. Okay, interesting. It's cool that it comes in this plastic wrap right here. But here's the charging case. This thing is pretty large, to be honest. Oh my god, this thing is... Look at this thing. This thing is giant. See... man, the how big it is kind of a turn off right now, because I thought it was going to be like a small thing that I can just like throw it inside my bag and have it be fine. But it's not too giant, so we're gonna continue looking at this thing right here. And does it come with anything else right here? Oh, it comes with some cables, which is good, so hopefully we can store the cables inside the case also. So right here we got a USB-A to USB-C cable right over here. And then the second cable is a USB-C to USB-C cable. And these are for charging, but there's no wall adapter. For some reason, none of these companies are giving wall adapters anymore, but okay, no wall adapters. And as you can see inside of the thing, there's indications of TX and RX, so depending on if you have a transmitter or receiver, I guess you have to put them in different slots. I don't know if that's really necessary, considering the whole thing is supposed to be USB-C, you know, so I don't know. So now we're going to try to put it inside that. God, that scared me. Now we're going to try to put it inside the charging case, so let's take the receiver right here. I'm going to put it on where it says RX. Grab this and just slide it in here. Okay, here we go. And boom, it just goes right in. And as you can see right there from the inside, if it ever focuses, here, I'm gonna manually focus it. You can see that it's charging now inside the thing. So let's put our transmitter inside also, right here. And boom, it just goes in. And now it's also indicating that it's charging with the blue light on it. I don't know if you guys can see it right here, but it is charging inside now. So now, as you can see, this is what it looks like, and there is a lot of room left. So if you had the Rode Mic Go number 2, like the second generation, you would put a third one in here, so you won't have any room to like put stuff, I guess. I guess you could still put stuff like between the charging cases, and let's actually try doing that. So let's try putting like the cable for it. Okay, so if you do it something like this, where you just have the cable between the devices, you can put this cable in, but you're not gonna be able to put a lavalier mic, which is fine, honestly. But one thing you can also do is that this thing comes with like a leather pouch thing. You could put your case in here and then just put all the other accessories, just throw it in there. You can put your USB-C cable, you can put your, you know, wind muffs, all of them, just in this pouch with the case right here. And then you could just like, you know, throw this whole thing just in your camera bag. On the back, there's an USB-C in for charging it, and then there's a USB-A port here also that says out, so you can also charge different devices with this charging case also, so you could charge your phone with it also. That's pretty cool. Yeah, with this right here. Actually, let's try that actually. I want to try it. See how that works. So let's take this USB-A to USB-C cable right here. Let's plug it into the back of the charging case, and then I'm gonna take this cable and plug it into my phone. And there we go. It's charging my phone right now. So that's pretty cool. So this thing has multi-purpose. So you could technically, what you can do with this thing is that you could actually put this in your camera bag, and then you can plug in your camera to it so that this thing will charge the wireless Go itself, and you can also charge your camera with it also. So that's pretty cool. So anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to check the description for a link to this device. I'll have an Amazon affiliate link that you can use to get the device. And also check the comments also. If anything happens with this device, I'll post an update on the comments. Like if it just like explodes in a week or something, you know, I'll put an update in there. But if there is no update, that means it's working perfectly fine. But anyways guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.